Today we're sitting down with Shar Pazand. Shar, tell everyone who you are and what you do.
So Shar with CitygirlEvents. I'm a wedding and event planner in Chicago, but I travel and I think I have the coolest job ever.
What does a wedding planner, what does an event planner do?
Basically, as far as packages, there is month of coordination where they start 4 to 6 weeks out. There's a partial planning, which you've done some of the work, and then we come in at any point in the process and can help you really coordinate all the details and really do some of the planning with you. And then full service can include just logistics. It can include logistics and design.
Let's say someone were to come to you and say, well, we already have, our photographer, we already have most of our vendors. Yeah. What can you do on top of that?
Yeah, so there's different parts of the planning process that I think people don't realize because they haven't done it before, right? It's like a lot of clients say, we don't know what we don't know, and that's why we're coming to you. And so what I have is like a little chart that I've created that I show my clients.